When you're working at the farm, it's all about, okay, who's making lunch today? Basically, whoever makes lunch walks out to the field, harvests what they need. So it's not going to be any more fresh than that. My name's Walter Reeson, and we farm at Starwild Farm in upstate New York. We really focus on growing produce with a high flavor profile. So that means it's not necessarily always the biggest head of lettuce, or the biggest beet. The challenge is to get people to taste it. And once they taste it, they're usually sold on what we're trying to do here. A lot of the flavor does come from the soil life. So the more imbalanced the soil is in terms of minerals that feed the microorganisms that then feed the plant, that allows any crop, but especially root crops, to pull up the nutrients and actually use the nutrients that are in the ground. We farm by using a no-till system. Heavy tillage will burn up the soil carbon, the soil organic matter, all of those things. Somebody cooks lunch every day at the farm. So a coworker this summer suggested making okonomiyaki, and I had it before in Japanese restaurants, but hadn't thought of it as a possibility for our farm lunches, which is sometimes a struggle to come up with. What am I gonna make today? A lot of people refer to it as Japanese pizza, but this is a very local version of that recipe. It's a very easy way to use fresh produce that's right on the farm. It's fast and filling and keeps everybody going throughout the rest of the day. So it's become part of the lunch repertoire. So the pancake is basically traditionally shredded cabbage. I added radishes today, carrots. You add flour to the shredded vegetables, and then egg, some water with soy sauce. This is a simple pancake batter, sort of, with vegetables. So it's a savory pancake, more or less. Then you just put it in hot oil in a skillet, about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip it over, and another 3 to 4 minutes. You want to keep the sort of interior custardy, creamy and custardy, so you don't want to overcook it. So this is just going to be a sauce we'll put on top, which is just mayonnaise and miso. That's a real benefit to eating super fresh food and basically just having a whole farm to choose from in terms of what you want to use and cook with that day. So it's always a lot of fun to figure that out.